A little background on the video you're about to watch. It was the last day of the season for both West Virginia and Ohio, 23. I was hunting West Virginia, rainy day, and I shot a bird right off the bat. Boom, 7 o'clock, it was down. Fortunately, I didn't have any good video footage of that, so I didn't include that here. But what happened is, I had cameras in Ohio in this field I've hunted. I was struggling over there. No birds in the field. So I figured, well, it was raining. I'm going to go try Ohio real quick. And by the time I got packed in, checked the bird in, dropped it off, it got set up in the field. I pulled in, glassed the field. There was no birds in it. Got set up about 11 o'clock. Did some calling, light calling, because of course it was raining. And then about an hour later, on the far side of the field, 200 yards away, there was a longbeard and two hens working my way. Very slowly with the rain. They were in no hurry, just creeping. Well, they got within, I don't know, 100 yards, 80 yards, somewhere in that range. And I know, well, he's coming for sure. Out of nowhere, unbelievably, two dogs come running through my decoys. Circled around the blind a couple times and then left. Didn't hang out. And I thought, man, am I done? But then again, I thought, people who use dogs in the fall, that's what they want. They go scatter the flock, sit down, wait a half hour, 45 minutes, soft calls, and they come back. Well, that's what I tried. I sat there in the blind, waited a half hour, started doing some soft calls, and watch and see what happens next. If you would do me a favor too, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you could, even share the video. I'd appreciate it. Have fun. Hope you enjoy.